Bruce here, in kind of a hurry today. Quick look at the sky. Big thunderstorm moving in. Yow. Summertime, that's normal. Okay, today's video, salt, pepper, garlic rub. The standard for doing any kind of brisket, any of those goodies. Salt, pepper, garlic. How much? Glad you asked. Let's do it. Look, that boat didn't get the message. He's riding right into the storm. Okay. And we'll do everything from here. Okay. Yeah, I know, I've said that. Good. Love hearing those outboard motors in the summer. You know it's summer, and it's time for barbecue. So here we have our nice brisket, and we're gonna do this kind of Texas style. Salt, pepper, garlic, that's it. Let everything else do its magic. All right, what am I gonna do? Well, I call it the 20-10-2. 20 parts pepper, 20 parts pepper, 10 parts salt, 2 parts garlic. However you want to do it. Let's see. Oh, that's a fresh one. Now your pepper, make sure it's kind of fresh. Especially ground pepper. Oh, I can smell it from here. It's good. Ground pepper sitting in your kitchen a long time can go dead. All right. Do. There we go. There's our 20 parts. Now remember, this is the basic. What you do with it from there is up to you. All right, now salts. What kind of salts shall we assault it with? Well, let's see. We have some nice Himalayan pink sea salt. Beautiful. Not necessarily, unless you just like spending your money. We have no salt, potassium chloride instead of sodium chloride. No, a little metallic taste. Kosher salt. Well, this is good if you're going to have salt on the outside crust, like baking a chicken, baking something, or making a pretzel. Otherwise, once again, spending money. So for us, just normal, cheap-ass salt works fine. So once again, 20 parts, 10 parts. So basically 2 to 1. Got it? And the garlic, that's actually optional. Pure of heart. There's our garlic. Texas is just salt and pepper. But by consensus, people have gravitated to garlic. Oh, come on. I don't have time for this. There we go. Close. Now, once again, it's a spice. It can go dead also. It's smelling okay. And then I save leftover spice containers. Now here's where the options come in. Alright, selected your salt. If you're doing beef and you want to cheat, sometimes a little beef bouillon in your rub. You want a little bit more umami. Whoa, Umami. Little MSG. I know. Sorry. That's cussing to some of you, but MSG is actually a pretty good ingredient. Alright, so into there. And there's your basic rub recipe. There we go. And there you go. Quick and easy. Oh, that rain's finally starting to come in here. Now I got to get all this stuff inside before we get slammed by this rain. Alright, as always, drink more shine and eat more bacon. See ya.